A very good morning, students. As I had started your new chapter, Introduction to HTML5, and we have discussed what is the HTML language and how to create the HTML document using the text editor. So student, in this video we shall go further and we shall discuss about the tags, elements and attribute. So student, let us start the first topic, tag. So student, we shall try to understand the meaning of the tags. Tags are predefined command in HTML that determine how the information on the web page is displayed, and it instructs the browser to display the information in the specific format. So student, tags do not appear in the browser window, but they affect the display of the text and non-text item. These tags are also not case sensitive, means the text can be typed either in small letters or capital letter. The HTML tags or commands are inserted before and after the text, each tag giving a specific instruction to the computers, and begin with a less sign and end with a greater than sign. So student, we use the different type of tag in HTML language such as p tag, b tag, br tag. So student, now next heading is element. In HTML language, an element consists of on tag, the content and the off tag. There are mainly two types of the element. First is container element and second is empty element. Container elements are those elements that require the closing tag also. So students, for example, HTML tag, head tag, body tag, b tag and etc. These all tags require the closing tag. Closing tag is enclosed with smaller sign followed by the forward slash and greater sign, student. Second is empty element. This tag do not require any type of the closing tag. Simply we type this tag before the text which we want to format it. For example, students, br tag. Br tag is used to break the line, and this tag is used before the text. Okay, after the text, the closing tag do not require. So student, next setting is attribute. Attribute is a property of an HTML that give the additional information to the browser. So with the some elements, attribute can be used. This attribute consists of two parts. First is name and second is value. So the name is the property that we want to set, and the value is what you want for the respective property. For example, students, the width attribute is used with HR tag. HR tag is used for adding the horizontal line across the web page. So with the HR tag, we can use the width attribute to determine the thickness of the horizontal line. horizontal line in pixel or percentage. For example, HR with equal to 50%. So this line will cover only 50% of the page. After that, student, the next heading is rule for writing the HTML code. So student, when we do the programming in HTML language, we have to follow the some certain rule. First rule is that tags and attribute names are not case sensitive. It means, students, you can type the tags or element in either in small letters or capital letter. Both are treated same. Second point is that here container tags should always be closed, students, as it has been discussed also. Otherwise unclosed tag can lead to unwanted result. Third is values given to the attributes should be enclosed with the double quote. Next thing is, student, the tag name should not contain the space, any type of this space. After that, student, the next heading is rule for